Hello students, welcome to the online class of English. As you know that in our English session, chapter number 6 of First Flight is going on, and the name of the chapter is The 100 Dresses To, and it is written by Alvasar Astor. So till now we have read then Wanda Petronsky, then who got ill treatment by her classmates. Now she was shifted to another city. And now during announcement of drawing competition, when all students came to know about this, about Wanda's shifting through Miss Mason, so all the students understood then what was the reason of shiftment of Wanda. Actually they understood now here then the discrimination and the problems and the teasing which Wanda was facing daily. This was the reason to change the city and school. And Peggy and Mary, who were playing the leading role in this ill treatment, they also understood each and everything. And they decided to go to Wanda's house and to get sorry from Wanda. But when they reached there, as the place where Wanda's house was there as Boggins Heights. So they saw that as her house was very normal and it was about to fall down, and they were searching Wanda, but they did not meet with Wanda because before their reaching, Wanda went from there with her family. So they could not meet with Wanda. Now they were feeling sorry, they were feeling very upset. They wanted to talk to Wanda and say sorry to her, but now they could not do this. As both of them, Peggy and Mary, they decided to write a letter to Wanda. And in that letter, they wrote about the result of drawing competition. And through writing this letter, they wanted to get forgiveness. And they wrote a letter and they were waiting for the reply. So till this point we read in previous class, and now we will continue the next part. Now before starting explanation, now let's have a look on the hard words. Now first word is intently, means with intention. Next, wreath means garland. Stagged means capped. Stung means hung. Pinned means put with a pin. Brilliancy means brightness. Now let's have a look on the key points of the chapter which we are going to cover in our explanation today. The first point is Wanda's reply, and second point is there Peggy and Mary got their faces in drawing, and last point of today's explanation is Mary's decision. Now let's explain these points. Now as Peggy and Mary wrote a letter to Wanda, they were waiting for the reply, but for many days they did not get a reply. They waited long for Wanda's reply to their friendly letter, but as they were unable to get it, but after a time, after a few months, they got the reply addressed to Miss Mason, and in that letter what was mentioned, by coming to know, they were shocked and very happy. Now she asked Miss Mason to give the drawing of green dress to Peggy and the blue one to Mary. Now here Wanda, as she gave a reply, so in her reply she mentioned and she requested Miss Mason to give the drawing of the green dress to Peggy, and the drawing of blue dress to Mary. And now she also told her that she had joined a new school, but she was missing old school and teachers also. Now when this letter was read by Miss Mason, and Peggy and Mary came to know about this, now they were full of feelings, full of affections. that Wanda, about whom they always thought only about how to tease her, how to make fun of her, how to mock of her, and same girl had sent a letter full of feelings, and even she requested Miss Mason to hand over those drawings to these two girls, and these drawings which were made by great efforts. So she requested Miss Mason to hand over these drawings to those girls who always teased her. Now which kind of nature Wanda was having? It means now she was a girl of unique nature. It means now through this letter that Peggy and Maddie came to know that here Wanda was not having any kind of cruel feeling in her heart about both of them. Now next point, Peggy and Maddie got their faces in drawing. Now as it was mentioned in Wanda's letter to give two drawings to Wanda and to Peggy and Maddie. So same thing was followed by Miss Mason, and now here one drawing was given to both of them. Now as Maddie ran through thoughts as she was thinking, she has taken this drawing and she was thinking, all the thoughts were running into her mind about the events, about Wanda, about classmates, about school, about room number 13, and they were getting education. All these things were running in a great speed in her mind. At that time she hung that drawing on the wall. As she noticed an amazing thing. What was that? She could see her face in her dress. It means that dress was drawn, the dress which was drawn in that drawing, along with that face which was drawn, and that face resembled with Maddie. So that face was of Maddie. It means now during drawing competition, Wanda made that drawing intently to the Maddie. It means she drew the face of Maddie with this dress. Now she ran over to Peggy's home, and when she told each and everything to Peggy, now Peggy also noticed that that drawing which was with Peggy, and she saw that here with red trimming, the dress of green color with red trimming which was present in the drawing of Peggy. Then here the face of that drawing also resembled with Peggy's face. It means this drawing was already made for Peggy. So now both of them then came to know, then here at that time when we were teasing Wanda and she made these two drawings for us with great intention, even by drawing our faces. So now they could see that here Peggy's and Maddie's faces were present in the drawing, and now Maddie started to cry. It means Maddie was full of feelings toward Wanda. Already they were regretting, and when they came to know that how affectionate, how concerning, how loving that girl was, to whom we always only teased. Now which kind of feelings she was having for us, what concern she was having for us. By thinking all these things, Maddie started crying. And now last point, Maddie's decision. Now as both of them were already regretting, and Maddie also started crying. She was feeling very bad. She was feeling very regretting over her behavior, and now she took a decision. In that condition, she took a decision as by remembering all the insulting statements which she passed for Wanda. Now she was remembering and reminding all all the points, all the statements which they passed to Wanda, and she took a decision. Now she said, then here she would never help and she would never support a person who would tease anyone like Wanda. Then as if anybody, she would never be a silent spectator anymore if she was to, even if she was to lose her friendship. It means, now before that what happened, when everyone with the Peggy, along with the Peggy, everyone was teasing Wanda, that at that time Maddie wanted to do something for Wanda, but as she started thinking about Peggy's friendship and she started thinking, then as she would be replaced by Wanda and people would start teasing her. So by getting all this fear, then she was stopped. She suppressed her feelings towards Wanda, but now she has taken a firm decision. Then she never do like this, which she did to support Peggy. It means now even if she would have to lose anything like Peggy's friendship or anybody's friendship, she would lose that, but she would support always those persons who would be teased by each and everyone. So with this decision, now she got a relief, and even Peggy was also trying to console her, but she was taking this strong decision. She has determined to take this decision and to follow it from the same time. So students, along with this chapter has completed, and now as we have come to know, then this is a very beautiful story based on the theme of discrimination, judgmental attitude as people have for other people around them. So as Wanda, who was getting ill treatment in a school, but she never applied that treatment, that misbehaved in her nature. Then she was as calm and as quiet, and even at last, then she has proved that she was not affected by all that teasing and making fun which was done by other people, other classmates. So here students, through this story we should learn a lesson that we should never make fun of the unique differences of our fellow human beings. We should try to accept them as they are, and we should be cooperative with them, because everybody is perfect in itself. So along with this, now chapter has completed. I hope that you have understood the chapter. Still, if you get any query, any doubt, please ask by calling or by making a text. And along with that, the notes which has provided, through them, with the help of them, complete your work on time. Now students, take good care of yourself. Thank you very much.